Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular motherboards in the B550 chipset category, the MSI B550-A Pro and the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2. Both motherboards are designed for AMD Ryzen processors and offer unique features that cater to different user needs. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and what sets them apart in the world of PC building. The MSI B550-A Pro is a full-sized ATX motherboard, providing ample space for expansion slots and connectivity options. This makes it an ideal choice for users looking to build a high-performance system with multiple graphics cards or additional peripherals. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is a micro ATX motherboard which offers a more compact design. While it has fewer expansion slots, it is perfect for smaller builds where space is a premium. Both form factors have their advantages, depending on your specific needs and preferences. When it comes to connectivity, the MSI B550-A Pro lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which may require users to invest in a separate Wi-Fi card if wireless connectivity is desired. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 comes with integrated Wi-Fi 6, offering faster wireless speeds and improved performance for online gaming and streaming. This feature can be a significant advantage for users who prefer a clean and clutter-free setup without additional cables. Thermal management is crucial for maintaining system stability and performance. The MSI B550-A Pro is known for its excellent thermal design, featuring premium heatsinks and core boost technology that ensures efficient cooling even during intense workloads. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 incorporates comprehensive cooling solutions, including multiple fan headers and ASUS's 5X Protection 3, which enhances the motherboard's reliability and longevity. Both motherboards prioritize thermal performance, but their approaches cater to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A Pro and ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 offer compelling features for different types of users. The MSI board excels in expansion capabilities and thermal design, while the ASUS board provides built-in Wi-Fi and a compact form factor. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences for your PC build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.